Inducto Dual Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner. Who's looking for a large glass top cookware? If you are, then this is a must-buy for you. It measures 26 inches wide, 15 1/4 inches deep, and 3 1/4 inches tall. Its average diameter is 8 inches. Its dual burners are perfect for big-sized pots and pans made from steel, iron, and others with a magnetic bottom. Though huge in size, it can fit safely on your kitchen tops because of its rubber feet. You can do several cooking techniques like boiling, frying, sautéing, simmering, searing, barbecuing, and more without worrying that it might fall or malfunction. Both surfaces have their own temperature control with 8 wonderful settings and 7 cooking modes to help beginners. It works at 120 volts and temperature ranges from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. The Inducto Dual Induction Cooktop Countertop Burner is very safe to use, even in an enclosed kitchen, as it does not use flame or heat coils. It cools down quickly after the removal of a cookware. It uses as much as 90% less energy as compared to the usual electric and gas stove.